expired by. Dopey Troll Incidents. Subscribe now. Step 1. Zombie has to puke. Oh my god. I need to find a bathroom fast. Step 2. Zombie thinks he find a bathroom. Step 3. You puke in the water. Step 4. It is getting dark. Step 4.5. Zombie cave remained in the cave. Forever.
A few days later.
I need to eat. Step 5. Zombies begin to eat each other.
What the hell is happening?
I don't know, but I'm hungry.
Later. That was a good dinner. Step 6. You're the last zombie remaining.
50 years later.
Step 7. You've been on this cave for 50 years. Step 8. You come out of your cave. Step 9. Go to the city full of humans. Step 10. You are hungry, so you find a pig to eat.
That was delicious!
Step 11. You continue to go to the city that is full of humans. Step 12. Finally arrive to the city. Step 13. You have to puke again. There's no bathroom nearby.
Oh no.
Step 14. You prepared to puke on the city. Step 15. It was a vomit flood that floods the city.